crack then, and my boss of blessed memory, former MC of GT Bank, he loved that joke. You know, when I have to relate women generally with the banks you have in Nigeria, based on their attitude, their structure, and all. Different behavioral patterns. How will you do that? First of all, you call a very tall woman, you can call her Skybank or Zenith Bank because she's very tall. Then a woman that is very brief and summarized, that is down to earth, that have some shortcomings. Such women, you call them microfinance bank. Then any woman that is on the big side, you call those women United Bank of Africa or Oceanic Bank. Then a woman that likes to bounce when she's walking, they call it catwalking, you call some women spring. Then if you see a woman that is always telling you about ideas, there is idea for cooking, there is idea for sleeping, there's nothing that is impossible with such women. Such women, you call them that the former bank, which they call bank PhD. You know why? If you remember the advert there, they told you that one day your car will ride on water, not my car. They say one day computer will drive your car. You can imagine if computer is driving your car and you're on top of Third Mainland Bridge, virus enters your computer. That's all the glory. You are gone. Then a woman that likes to talk, she gives you information per second. If she's speaking, if she's talking in her bedroom, you can hear her voice at the gate. She knows everything about everything. Such women, you call them echo. I'm sorry, no? Then if you see a woman that is committed and faithful, dedicated to the family, to the husband, wonderful. Such women, you call them Fidelity Bank or Guarantee Trust Bank. I love them so much. But the one that trips me most, ladies and gentlemen, if you see a woman that jumps from one man to the other, you call such women intercontinental. Happy customers. Thank you very much. My name is MC.